Hi Peaches, welcome to my YouTube channel Chase, and today's video is about unboxing. So I ordered this amazing package from Oriflame. I have half opened it and I know what's inside. So yeah, I ordered this from Oriflame and I got this yesterday and I was waiting for it for a very long time. I just wanted to see all the products inside and show you all. I have used Oriflame before and it has worked on my skin and I like all the products. So I wanted to do this unboxing in front of you all. I have ordered a total of 6 products and I'm going to show you all one by one. Here it is. Okay, so let's begin with my favorite thing. These are tiny little trinkets of magic. So this is one and this is the other one. These are Love Nature soap bar. One is neem and the other one has rose and sandal. So this has antibacterial properties and this has rose and sandalwood, which works amazingly on your skin. They both smell nice and they cost 50 rupees, but I got it for 44. I think there was some deal. I got it for 44 each, but this costs 50 rupees each. This is soap bar from Love Nature Oriflame and these are amazing. Moving on, I got this Love Nature Vitality Sheet Mask. I hope you can see it. So this works for all skin types. It contains natural orange extracts and natural oat extracts. Now I know for a fact that orange is very good for skin because orange brings out vitamin C and vitamin C helps in exfoliating your skin and it opens up your pores. And oats, as a matter of fact, is very amazing because it helps smoothen your skin and keeps your skin soft. So this mask, sheet mask, contains both orange and oats. It costs 299 rupees and I got it for 299. So this is amazing. I'll be trying it. I haven't tried it yet, but I hope it will be amazing. The one peel of base coat. I was just tired of using nail remover on my nails and applying nail paint and then having to remove my nail paint again and then applying another one again. So instead of doing that, I thought of trying another thing. So what you can do is apply this base coat on your nails and then apply a nail paint over it and then just peel it off. So it becomes easier. I mean, you can change nail paints just like you change clothes. So I just wanted to try it. I haven't tried it yet. I will be trying it and I hope it's good. This costs, I don't know, price is not written on it, but I got it for 199 rupees. So this costed me 200 rupees, but I hope it's worth it. Moving on, I got this Love Nature fragranced talc, Sandal Caress. So this is a talcum powder. This is a 400 gram bottle. It costs 199 rupees, but I got it for 189. I have tried Love Nature fragranced talc, but I have tried the rose one. It's pink in color and it smells nice. But when I read the description about this, it said that it has antibacterial properties and it is very good for your skin, and I just wanted a change of powder. Smells amazing. I got this milk and honey gold sugar scrub. This costs rupees 269 and I got it for 269. This contains milk and honey. Now we all know that milk is really good for your skin because it helps in smoothening and softening your skin, and honey is rich in sugar which helps in exfoliating your skin and helps your skin glow and keeps it radiant. Next up, the last thing that I got is the one Peach Perfector. This is a moisturizer that is tinted with peach extracts. Now we all know that peach is very good for your skin. It helps in making your skin glow. It helps in bringing radiance to your skin. So I just wanted to try it. See, whenever you're going out for a party, or maybe you have to go out on a date, or maybe you just want to go out to hang out with your friends or to office maybe, so you can't apply heavy makeup there, this is very useful. This costs 499 rupees and I got it for 399. And last but not least, I got this Oriflame catalog so that I can buy more products, I think, apparently. And that is all for the unboxing of this Oriflame package. This is all that I ordered. I ordered 6 things, each of which costs less than 500 rupees, and all of them work amazingly on your skin. And I will put down the link in the description about where I bought it from, and I will also put down the link to my other social media handles. So go ahead and follow me. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video if you really liked it. I will do more unboxing videos and more reviews if you want me to. Just put it down in the comment section. Love, love.